Hello students. Now today in current electricity we will start new article potentiometer. Yesterday we have seen the principle of potentiometer. So principle of potentiometer is that if a steady current flows through the circuit, then potential difference is directly proportional to length between the 2 points in the circuit. Mathematically we can write V is directly proportional to L or V is equal to K into L. This K is nothing but constant. Potential difference per unit length is equal to K, or this K is nothing but potential gradient. Now today we will see how to compare the EMF of two cells using potentiometer. As you know that potentiometer, it consists of a rectangular wooden board on which several meter wire is fixed between the 2 points. So let us consider this is a rectangular wooden board on which several meter wire is fixed between the 2 points. A और B ये दो पॉइंट है, इसके अक्रॉस में a uniform cross sectional area of length L is fixed between the 2 points. Now between the point A and B, a battery along with key and rheostat is connected. A और B के अक्रॉस में एक बैटरी, की और rheostat कनेक्ट किया गया. Now if you want to compare the EMF of two cells whose positive terminals are connected to point A, दो सेल्स है, इनके पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल A पॉइंट को कनेक्ट किए गए. दिस इज फर्स्ट सेल whose EMF is E1. ये दूसरा सेल लेंगे जिसका EMF है E2. Two cells of EMF E1 and E2 are connected to point A and their negative terminals are connected to two-way key. ये two-way key है. From center point it is connected to galvanometer and from galvanometer it is connected to jockey. ये इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन है. It consists of a rectangular wooden board on which several meter wire is fixed between the 2 points. Between the point A and B, a battery along with key and rheostat is connected. If you want to compare the EMF of two cells, then their positive terminals are connected to A point, negative terminal are connected to two-way key, and from center point it is connected to galvanometer, and from galvanometer it is connected to jockey. When you will insert this key, it will start. So let us consider I is the current which is flowing through this circuit. Now when you will keep this jockey at point A, the galvanometer will show deflection to one side. When you will keep jockey at point B, the galvanometer will show deflection to opposite side. But when you will slide the jockey on the wire at one particular length, the galvanometer will show null deflection, which is nothing but the balance in length. Now first you will insert the key between these 2 points. ये point है O, this is nothing but P, और ये है Q. ये two-way key के terminals है तीन. Now when you will insert the key between OP, you will get the balance in length for this cell. You will get the balance in length for cell E1. So according to the principle of potentiometer, V is directly proportional to L. Now if E1 is the EMF of this cell and for E1 you are getting the balance in length L1. L1 is the balance in length corresponds to the cell of EMF E1. Therefore mathematically we can write E1 is directly proportional to L1. ये जो सेल है उसका EMF E1 है और उसके लिए जो बैलेंस इन लेंथ मिली वो है L1. Therefore, we can write E1 is directly proportional to L1 or E1 is equal to K into L1. ये आ गई first equation. Then we will remove this plug from OP and we'll keep this plug between OQ. जब ये प्लग को O और Q के अक्रॉस में रखेंगे, यू विल गेट द बैलेंसिंग लेंथ फॉर सेल E2, जैसा कि आपको बैलेंसिंग लेंथ ये पॉइंट पे मिलेंगी. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर वी कैन राइट E2 is directly proportional to L2, where L2 is the balance in length correspond to the cell of EMF E2. Therefore, we can write E2 is directly proportional to L2 or E2 is equal to K into L2. ये आ गई second equation. Now we will divide equation 1 by 2. So E1 divided by E2 is equal to K into L1 divided by K into L2. Now here K get cancelled. From this we can write E1 divided by E2 is equal to K is equal to L1 divided by L2. So using potentiometer we can compare the EMF of two cells by individual method. Sometimes the question may be asked, explain how we can compare the EMF of two cells using potentiometer. So ये उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन देंगे, उसकी थ्योरी लिखेंगे और उसके बाद ये दो मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन देके आप ये उसका डेरिवेशन देंगे. 3 मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन आता है कि एक्सप्लेन हाउ टू कंपेयर द EMF ऑफ टू सेल्स यूजिंग पोटेंशियोमीटर. दिस मेथड इज नोन एज इंडिविजुअल मेथड. तो यहाँ दो सेल लेके इंडिविजुअल उसके लिए बैलेंसिंग लेंथ लिए और उसका कंपेयर किए. सो E1 डिवाइड बाई E2 इज इक्वल टू L1 डिवाइड बाई L2. इसकी अगर लेवलिंग देगा, ड्रॉ द नीट एंड लेवल डायग्राम टू कंपेयर द EMF ऑफ टू सेल्स यूजिंग पोटेंशियोमीटर. तो इसकी लेवलिंग भी कर सकते हैं आप कि लेवलिंग में सर्किट डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना और सर्किट डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने के बाद इसकी लेवलिंग E1 E2 सेल्स या बैटरी, उसके बाद G गैल्वेनोमीटर, K की RH रियोस्टेट. इस तरह उसकी लेबलिंग वगैरह. ओके, देन we'll see how to compare the EMF of two cells by sum and difference method using potentiometer.